Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you like this content, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, we're talking about something a lot of homeowners and gardeners struggle with: deer. And while they look majestic, they can cause havoc in your yard. And as the weather begins to cool and their food supply becomes sparse, you are more likely to see them more often. Not only can deer destroy your landscaping, but they can do much more. So before we tell you how to get rid of them, let's talk about why you don't want them on your doorstep. Number 1, plant destruction. Deer love to munch on tender plants, shrubs, vegetables, and flowers. One deer can eat up to 7 pounds of plants a day. So if you've ever wondered why your garden keeps disappearing overnight, you might have a deer. Number 2, ticks and insects. Deer are major carriers of ticks, including the black-legged tick that can transmit Lyme disease. Even if you never touch the deer, those ticks can drop off into your yard where pets and kids play. Number 3, disease spread. Deer can carry and spread diseases and even parasites that affect livestock and pets. While they don't usually spread directly to humans, the risk factor for your environment goes up when deer are present. Number 4, vehicle hazards. The more deer are comfortable around your property, the more likely they'll dart across nearby roads. That's a danger for drivers. So while they are beautiful, there are reasons to keep them off your property. If you're looking for ways to keep deer out of your property, we have 6 that you won't want to miss. Number 1, fencing. The most effective method is a tall fence. Deer are incredible jumpers, so you'll want something at least 8 feet high. It doesn't have to be solid wood. You can use mesh fencing. Number 2, plants. Deer hate strong smells and certain textures. Plants like lavender, daffodils, marigolds, and herbs like rosemary or sage can act as natural repellents. Place these around the border of your garden to create a natural defense wall. Number 3, motion deterrents. Motion-activated sprinklers, lights, or even sound devices can spook deer away. Number 4, scent repellents. Commercial deer repellents are available, but you can also make do-it-yourself versions. Some people use garlic spray, hot pepper spray, or even bars of soap hung in mesh bags around plants. Number 5, yard maintenance. Keep your grass trimmed and clean up fallen fruit or bird seed. Deer are less likely to hang around if there's no easy food source. 6, dog patrol. If you have dogs, let them roam the yard safely. Their scent and barking alone can make deer think twice about entering. It usually takes a combination of these methods: fencing, plants, repellents, and motion devices to get the best results. Please note, all mentioned products are linked below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.